Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. I know I didn't get a video out on Sunday. Honestly, when I woke up on Sunday, I didn't think the deals looked that great, but I was wrong. So I spent a lot of the later part of the day looking for deals and late last night looking for deals. My son had a voice lesson and a piano recital yesterday, so the day was already crazy. But I wanted to share these with you, so hopefully a Monday video is okay. So let's start with a couple of things that I found on clearance online that you could place for a curbside order, or you could place it for an online order. I'll go through the deals I did. I'll tell you the scenario I did for the spend 40, get 10 in Walgreens Cash. That was the digital booster that I had. And then I'll show you deals you don't see here and some grocery deals as well. So lots to cover. First off, if you have that spend 40, get 10 digital booster, I think everyone has it. It is multi-use. Normally it is not, but I tried it out. I've done it twice and it worked both times. So it is multi-use, which is pretty cool. Now, those clearance items I found. This Lysol 2-pack of the toilet cleaners, $2.29 was the clearance price. So I placed this for a curbside order. The other thing I found, these pretzel crisps. I've seen this for a while now on clearance, but I finally just bought a bag. I'm gonna try it out at the holidays. $1.99 for this bag. The regular toasted O's, not the honey ones. The regular toasted O's were 99 cents. I ordered those, even though we wouldn't eat them, we like the honey ones. I ordered them thinking I'll just add them to the food bank donation pile that I'm collecting right now. But they did a substitution. Apparently online said they had it and then they didn't, so they substituted it for the ones that we will actually eat. So that's kind of cool. But look for the toasted O's. They were marked 99 cents. So that's just an easy deal that you can snag this week. Okay, I think I want to talk about food deals first. So these Benihana rice bowls, never tried them, have no idea if they're any good, but we have a high value Ibotta offer. So they're on sale $5.49, getting back $2 on Ibotta, making it just $3.49 for this fried rice. This is a frozen item. The Devour, also a frozen item. The price is $2.79, getting back $1 on Ibotta, making it $1.79. Now, the Oreo ice cream. These are 2 for $6. There is an Ibotta offer for $2 back on each of them. So that's $4 back on Ibotta, making it 2 for $2. But yesterday when I did this, there was a shop kick offer that gave back $3.40. So that actually made them both free and $1.40 moneymaker. Now, I say when I did this because when I popped in on Shopkick this morning, that offer was gone for me. So if you just have the Ibotta offer, you'll pay $1 each on them. If you have the Shopkick offer, double check because that would make them free and a moneymaker. Now, if you've never used Shopkick before, I had a couple people ask me on Instagram yesterday. Yes, I like it. Yes, I've used it for a while. I have a full tutorial on YouTube if you want to see it. It is completely free to use it. You can actually score $5 extra if when you join, you use my referral code, which is SWC5. Okay. Hopefully that was not too much information. Let me know if you have questions on that. A few other grocery deals you might want to check out. The sodas are four of the 12-pack of sodas for $18.98. But check Ibotta because there's tons of soda rebates. And I saw a rebate for Mountain Dew that's $1.50 back on each of them. So let's say you bought 4 packs of the Mountain Dew at $18.98. You'd get $6 back on Ibotta, making all 4 packs $12.98 or just $3.24 each. And I'm pretty sure that's a pretty awesome price for a 12-pack of soda. Now, the Schweppes ginger ale, like the 2-liter bottles, are 3 for $5. There was $1 Ibotta rebate, making it $4 for all 3 of them, or $1.33 each. The Nice Trail Mix is $1.78 on sale. The Oscar Mayer bacon is buy one, get one free, and the online curbside price was $8.99, so that would make them $4.49 per pack. That's cheaper than my grocery store has that same product priced. The Planters peanuts, there was like the mixed nuts and then I believe cashews as well. I know a lot of people do like nuts at the holidays. $4.99, there's a $2 digital, making it $2.99. Also the Nice brand or complete home bags, the storage bags are on sale again this week for buy one, get two free. That makes those bags just 93 cents per box. And I know a lot of you like that deal. Okay, let's talk about a few other deals that I did. Obviously, I do not use blonde hair dye. I did this deal just to make sure it worked. That way I could tell you about it. These are marked down online or curbside for $4.79. They're marked down in store too, but they may not be as low as $4.79. Now, I had a $6 digital off of two. And when you purchase two of these, you get $4 back in Walgreens cash. So you buy two at $4.79, use that $6 digital, you'll pay $3.58, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making them both free and a 42-cent moneymaker. And if you know me and you need blonde hair dye, shoot me a text because you can have them. I will never use them. The Olay. So these Olay products are buy one, get one half off, and we had a high value digital. Now, the cheapest product was $5.79. My store only had one at $5.79, so I paid a little bit more. But if you can find two of them at $5.79, your total for both would be $8.68. Then you use that $5 digital, dropping your price down to $3.68 for both of them, or just $1.84 each. I don't know about you guys, but I love having the makeup wipes on hand. The Olay, another Olay product. These, I have not the English side out, the Night of Olay Firming Night Cream. These are $10.99. Again, they're buy one, get one half off. So two of them will total you $16.48. I had a $12 digital. So that makes it $4.48 or just $2.24 each. Now, those high value digitals are the ones I like to use when I'm doing a spend deal because it lowers my out of pocket. But the higher value coupon counts towards the spend amount. I'll talk about that more here in a minute. Now, these NYX products, the face products as well as the eye products, there is a $3 store digital for these items, but there's a ton of them marked on clearance for $1.79. So for every two you buy at $1.79, $3 is going to come off because it's a store digital, but it's only going to work one time. So buy as many as you want in that one transaction. That $3 digital will come off of each two you purchase, leaving your final cost to be 58 cents for both items or just 29 cents per item. Now, the Gillette Labs. So this is a spend deal, and I used it as part of my spend 40, get 10 spend deal. But the Gillette Labs are spend 25, get 8. So I picked up the razor at $14.99. I had a $5 digital coupon. I then picked up two of the Gillette Labs Shave Foam at $7.99. I had two different $3 digitals. So I paid $19.97 for all three of those items, and I got back $8 in Walgreens cash, leaving my final cost to be $11.97 for all three items, or $3.99 each. Of course, it gets cheaper because I did that as part of a spend deal. So if you want to do a spend deal, here is just one idea you could do. I have that spend 40, get 10. I did this deal just as I told you, okay? $14.99, $7.99 each on these. And then the two Olays at $10.99, it was $16.48 for both of these. So for these items here, it would cost $47.45 before coupons. After the coupons come off, we pay $24.45. We get back 10 for spending 40. We get back 8 for spending $25, leaving the final cost for all of these items just $6.45. Now, you could do that so many different ways. I just tried to keep it simple to give you a scenario, but you could do the hair products, you could do the Olay products, you could do the food products. Just know ice cream is considered dairy, so it does not count towards a spend deal. So don't get mixed up there. Don't include ice cream in any spend deal because whatever you spend on those products aren't counting towards your spend amount. Now, there were a few other deals that I wanted to tell you about that were non-food. It was the Arm & Hammer. Those are also buy one, get two free this week. I don't think I wrote it down, so I can't tell you the price, but I'll pop it here on the screen. I want to say it works out to $2.49 per detergent. The Tide detergent, the Tide Simply was on sale for $3.49, as well as the Bounce was $3.49. I had 50-cent digitals for both of those, so that's a really good price point for those products. And then I'll include a few more pictures towards the end of the video and everything that I found on clearance. Now I'm trying to think, is there anything else I wanted to tell you? Don't forget to submit your receipts to PG Good every day for all the Procter & Gamble products that you've purchased. That is a free program. I will try to remember to drop a link for you down in the comments below. If you're not using it yet, you can sign up for that. They have rebates, they have coupons. I think that might be it. Are y'all running ragged already in December? It's like, what is it, the 4th? And I already feel like it's been a month and a half. My son has rehearsal every single day this week from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., which is really more like 4 to 9 when you consider the drive time. And then Saturday rehearsal. Sunday he has a recital. The following week he has rehearsal every day, and then he has his opera. I think I told you guys that he was doing an opera this December, so that's coming up next week. So tons of stuff going on in addition to our regular everyday stuff. So wish us luck as we survive all of this and hopefully have a little Christmas fun in the process of wrapping presents and looking at lights and doing all the fun things that come with Christmas, like moving the elves. The elves. Do y'all do the elf on the shelf? I kind of wish the elf on the shelf didn't exist. Anyway, hope y'all have a great week. If you have questions, drop it down in the comments below. If you're finding your own amazing deals and you want to share it with us, I would love that. Please share it down in the comments as well. Thanks.